इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you so much, Dheeraj, for playing a motivational message on Sunday afternoon. Franchise India, the brand which was established in 1999 with the help of team of business consultant, our management team is helping all international and national brands to expand their business with our 70+ offices. We have advised and given a platform to all the potential business buyers to get their business stream from us. We welcome you to the 121st episode, Sunday special episode of Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. This series is hosted by Mr. Maria as well as Sonia Chaudhary, both represents the management team of Franchise India. And today they'll be talking about industry, they'll be sharing their advice, feedback and suggestion with each one of us, along with the brand representative. And today we are presenting you brand Delta Sakura, which is a startup in automobile industry backed up by Tole family, the family which enjoys 30 years of experience, legacy in international business, healthcare, pharmaceutical, finance business. Delta Sakura is an assembling scooter in a factory which with a capacity of 6,000 units per month, and they follow the philosophy of profit sharing. Delta Sakura has done complete study and R&D and analysis of the situation in last 3 years and came out with a complete e-mobility solution for all of us. And today they are presenting their 3 different models starting from 12 lakh rupees. With this introduction, we welcome Dr. Arvind, who is presenting his business idea for each one of us. But before that, we would like to play a small video for all of you.
डेल्टा सकुरा लेकर आई है जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ स्मार्ट इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक। नए डिजाइन की वैरायटी और मॉडर्न फीचर्स जैसे कि स्टाइलिश एरोडायनामिक लुक, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग लिथियम फेरोफॉस्फेट बैटरी और ब्राइट एलईडी लाइट्स। बाइक लिथियम फेरोफॉस्फेट बैटरी के साथ आती है जो फास्ट चार्जिंग करती है और लंबे समय तक चलती है, जो आपका सफर करे आसान। लाइफ में कुछ चीज़ों को वारंटी मिले या ना मिले, लेकिन हम दे रहे हैं आपको स्कूटर, टायर और बैटरी पर 5 साल तक की वारंटी। अब टायर डैमेज की फिक्र नहीं। 5 साल में 40,000 किलोमीटर चलने के बाद भी मिलेगी फ्री टायर रिप्लेसमेंट की सुविधा। और अब लंबी वारंटी के साथ और भी सुविधाएं, जैसे कि 1 मिनट में बैटरी स्वैपिंग सुविधा, आसान ईएमआई ऑप्शंस और 5 साल बाद भी एक्सचेंज की सुविधा जारी रहेगी। न लाइसेंस की ज़रूरत, न आरटीओ रजिस्ट्रेशन की परेशानी, और इस पर रोड टैक्स भी नहीं भरना पड़ेगा। है ना आसान? घर में ही कर सकते हैं बाइक चार्जिंग। अब ना पैसा खर्च होगा, ना पेट्रोल लाइन में होगी वेटिंग। सिर्फ एक बार चार्जिंग करने के बाद स्मार्ट इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक चलेगी 60 से 80 किलोमीटर तक की दूरी, बिना रुके, बिना थके। और अगर बात पैसे की है तो आपकी 5 साल में होगी 2,50,000 रुपए की बचत, मतलब सफर भी और सेविंग भी। स्मार्ट इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक खरीदने के बाद आपको मिलेगा डेल्टा राइडर्स क्लब के मेंबर बनने का मौका। फ्री मेंबरशिप के साथ आप पाएंगे और भी खास सुविधाएं। डेल्टा सकुरा द्वारा आयोजित प्रोग्राम्स हो या पिकनिक, आपको फ्री में निमंत्रित किया जाएगा। डेल्टा सकुरा के किसी भी सेवा केंद्र पर आपको प्रायोरिटी के साथ अच्छी सेवा दी जाएगी। और इसी के साथ आप सिर्फ एक कॉल पर अपने घर में ही सेवा प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। और एक बढ़िया बात, हर महीने की लकी ड्रॉ में से आपको मिलेगा स्मार्टफोन जीतने का मौका। आज ही संपर्क करें, सुनहरे अवसर का लाभ उठाएं।
Thank you so much. Over to you, Dr. Arvind, to present your business idea with each one of us. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you need to unmute yourself.
Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Good afternoon, everybody. Here I am taking you towards a journey of e-bikes in India. Delta Sakura is a brand in e-bike industry, but we don't count ourselves in e-bike industry because we are going to have a competition with petrol bikes and petrol scooters. Last year, government published a notification that only electric two-wheelers may be sold in country after 2025. That is especially in below 150 segment, which is a market size of 12 million units a year. So that gives us a huge opportunity to sell e-bikes in this segment.
Sir, I'll just bother you here. We can't see your PPT.
Yeah, you can see?
No, sir. You want me to run the PPT for you? I can.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Please.
Sure,
please.
sure. I'll just do it, sir. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah. Now it is okay.
It's okay now. We can
Hello.
be Dr. Arun. हाँ जी,
Shall I
ठीक है डॉक्टर साहब
shall I
आप
take over?
मैम या प्लीज.
Okay. So, as per Government of India's notification, after 2025, the electric vehicles only will be sold in below 150 segment, which is a 12 million units in the size. So it offers a huge opportunity. Next slide, please. Automobile business is always glamorous, and owning a two-wheeler dealership is always a pride. But taking a petrol two-wheeler dealership costs you around 5 crore of rupees. So we asked in a survey to people which dealership you will prefer, a sub dealership with an investment of 30 lakhs and or authorized dealership. And we get a 60% positive response from the entrepreneurs. They say we will prefer e-bike dealership. Next slide, please. We had done one more survey in which we asked people post-COVID, which industry, which electric vehicles or petrol vehicles. 70% people says that petrol vehicles sales will increase Y to Y basis and it will give a sustainable growth. Next, please. Here we are talking about the growth. As per industry tycoons, 1 million units by year 2025 is possible. So we took a market survey accordingly. 76% people agree that industry will boom and it is not an bubble. So electric vehicles are going to have very, very bright future in India in coming decades. Next. Last 3 years, we had been doing survey and taking opinions of customers and entrepreneurs, in which dealer says that marketing strategy and product range are vital points. And after this survey, we have decided to take care of a marketing strategy with help of Sakura. And we are offering a very huge product range with an excellent quality. Next. Next, please. Which parameters will increase sales of e-bikes in India? And people responded saying that the long-term warranty and service are the vital and major goals. So we are the first and only company in India who is offering 5 years warranty on scooter, battery, tires, everything, everything, everything. Next. We ask customers while buying an e-bike, which USP you will consider. And customer says the combination of 2 and 3, that is a superior quality and long-term warranty and service. Customers are not much bothered about the price, but they want a superior quality, long-term warranty. So we have taken consideration all these points, plus we are keeping our prices most competitive in the industry. Next, please. We ask customers whether you will prefer to buy an established brand in e-bikes or you will go for the product. And most surprisingly, people said we want a product with innovations, product with multiple features, and product which will fulfill the needs of the consumer. So we are offering the best product with all the features which are required, and we are sure with the quality products, we will build a brand within a couple of years. Next, please. What customer is expecting? Customer wants battery swapping facility because e-bikes have a limited range. So customer is always stuck, and that is why industry has not grown in last 12 years. So we are the first company in e-bike industry which is opening battery swapping centers at every 10 kilometers. And again, we are offering the warranty and EMI options. So we give a total package to the Indian customer. Next, please. We also ask customer whether you prefer the speed or range, and 74% responded that they want and range, and our bikes are giving up to 80 kilometers of a range in a single charge. Next, please. Here also we took an opinion about the customer, what warranty they want, and the maximum customer says is up to 5 years, and we are offering the 5 years warranty. Thank you. Next one. Again, this survey have been done in different zones of India with different people or different agencies. So some questions are coming repeatedly. Here again it says what is the USP? The long-term warranty is an USP for 85%, and only 15% are bothered about the discounts. Next slide, please. Now, when it comes to warranty, there are two types of warranty in India. One is a manufacturer's warranty, which we are offering. And in automobile industry and white good industry, there is one more warranty called third party extended warranty. So customer buys that warranty product from a third party. And here a clear-cut picture comes that manufacturer's warranty is most important and most customer friendly, because the way manufacturer is concerned about his brand, a third party may not be. Next. Now we are coming with the pricing, especially all over the country in all vehicle segments. City-wise price differs, state-wise price differs. So the dealers suffer because of this on the borderlines, who are coming in borderlines of, you say, Telangana, Andhra, or Maharashtra, Karnataka. In between those cities, the price, one city has got a less price, one city has a more price. In some cities, dealer overcharge, customer is unable to understand. So during survey, the point came that all India same price. And we are first company in automobile sector. We are coming with one India, one price. You buy in Chennai or you buy in Dehradun, you will get the bike at same price. Next slide. Here we have seen the power of EMI. 57% people are ready to shift from their favorite brand to a new brand with a EMI, because EMI plays a major role. Today in petrol two-wheeler industry, almost 70% sales come through EMI, and we are first company in e-bike segment which is offering EMI facility within 15 minutes. If customer wants a finance, within 15 minutes it will be approved or rejected. Whatever the decision is there, but it will be taken in 15 minutes. Next slide, please. Now we ask customers how many kilometers you will travel for the service. So they said 10 kilometers or 10 to 20 kilometers. So we have came up with a 3 different business model which will take care of our customers, as well as we will take care of the investors and entrepreneurs who will invest their hard-earned money in our business. So it will be win-win situation for customer as well as the entrepreneurs. Next slide, please. Does the fast charging hampers? Here the fast charging means the rapid charging, which concept is recently coming in India. Yes, the fast charging hampers. So we are giving it as an optional, not as a built-in. Next slide, please. Now we asked many entrepreneurs how much profit you expect on a 30 lakhs rupees investment. 58% said 10 lakhs, 33% said 10 to 15 lakhs. So when we go to the ROI sheet, you will see how better ROI we are offering to you. Next slide, please. This was question asking who will be Tesla in terms of volumes in e-bike industry by 2025. 62% people said some new brand because they are not aware about our name yet. So once we start growing in the market with help of Franchisee India, we are damn sure that within 3 years we will become a #1 brand of India. Next slide, please. So the future is electric, and we are taking you to the future and asking you to ride the future now. Next slide, please. This is a strategic collaboration with Sakura World Class Technology and Marketing Engineering, which makes us different than the 200 brands present in e-bikes. With this strategic collaboration, we can say that we are going to fight with petrol two-wheelers because our product quality, what we deliver in the product, how we compete with Honda, Hero, Bajaj, etc. Next slide, please. This is very important slide you can see here. It is a summary of our business model. It says we offer 5 years warranty on scooter, 5 years warranty on battery. The market trend is 2 years warranty or 3 years warranty on the battery. We offer clear-cut 5 years warranty. Plus, I would like to mention here that our battery life is 7 to 8 years. So customer does not require to replace the battery till 8 years. Still, there is one more facility. If customer after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, if he comes with some problem with the battery, we can replace few cells, and with 1,000-2,000 rupees, we can renovate his battery. So there is absolutely no expenses on terms of battery. Then warranty on tires, savings of 2.5 lakhs in 5 years, 1 minute battery swapping facility. We have tie-up with almost 30 banks and NBFC, in which all the banks are covered from State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, and HDFC. And we offer a 15 minutes EMI facility. We offer an assured exchange even now for petrol vehicles and after 5 years for the e-bikes. We offer a huge referral bonus to our customers. And above all, our current product range of 4 scooters does not require a driving license, does not require a registration, nor it require road tax. Next slide, please. We are taking India with our products to our PM's vision of clean India, green India. Because when you drive a petrol scooter around 60 kilometers a day, you produce 6 tons of carbon. With Delta Sakura bikes, you produce zero carbon, and you save a huge money. So it's a clean India, green India, and huge profits of our customers and next generations. Next slide, please. Delta Sakura bikes have been fitted with these kind of technologies. These are integrated in the bike, and that is why our bike is very special. You take it in the water splash, you take it in a dust condition, because Indian roads, rough roads, are full of dust, full of potholes. So this bike is safe, and you will never face a problem while driving this bike on the road. This also offers no vibration, zero noise. Next slide, please. We are going to build a community of Delta Sakura customers, and we are developing a very strong referral scheme plus loyalty scheme. So we want to make our customer loyal with us in long term. So once customer enters in Delta Sakura family, for the next generations he will stay us. That way we are confident, because every year we'll be launching another 4 or 5 new products. So whenever customer wants to upgrade himself, herself, there is an option available for them. Next slide, please. This is the saving chart, how much money a customer can save compared with the petrol bike. If he travels around 60 kilometers a day, petrol expenses is 3,500 a month, and electricity expenses are less than 360 rupees. So net saving of 3,000 plus rupees a month gives him huge saving in 5 years or whatever period he uses the bike. Next, please. This is a detailed chart. This will be shared with all interested people for the franchisee. So I'm not going to read it now, but this is a bifurcation of how 2.5 lakhs have been saved. Next slide, please. These are the features, like you can say the remote keys, push button, which are available in only high-end cars of 20-30 lakhs rupees. We are offering an e-bike, and these features you have seen in our video also, so I will not repeat them. Next slide, please. So we are here to fulfill all the desires of the customers, because we don't sell only scooters, but we sell a complete mobility solution, from exchange of petrol vehicle, EMI option, 5 years warranty, 5 years. It offers a total peace of mind to the customer who invest in our bikes. Next slide, please. Delta Sakura scooter buying is not an expenditure, but it comes as an investment, because when you save 250 lakhs in 5 years, and money saving is money earning, so you get a 300% returns in 5 years. Next slide, please. Our philosophy is the purpose of our business is to create a customer who creates a customers and makes our business associates prosperous and happy. We believe that in India, the most effective advertising medium is word of mouth of the customer. So whenever the customer speaks good about the brand, good about the product, it gets automatically sold. And we are going to take customer of every customer this way. The customer will be our raving fan, and he will be our brand ambassador in the market. Next, please. So future belongs to us. We request all the entrepreneurs to join hands with Delta Sakura and partner with prosperity. Next, please. For our dealers, we offer support in business operations, training of business operations, training of inquiry conversion and sales, training in customer retentions, training in product and technical training. We offer these periodic trainings every 6 months to upgrade the knowledge of the staff and make our dealerships perfect. Next, please. That is one secret, that business with us is a sheer fun, enjoyment and profit. It's a business without any stress, without any target. You invest your money, you sell as a fun, and you enjoy the profits. We are always there to support you. We are creating this magnetic brand, magnetic dealerships. So please enter into the business to fight with petrol bikes, petrol scooters, enhance your horizon and earn huge profits. Next slide, please. So a magnetic brand is creating magnetic dealers which will pull the customers. The brand will have the pull, and it will be get sold very easily, because we have provided all the sales tools to the customer and to the dealers. So selling will be very easy. So dealers can retain their margin as it is without discounting it further. So it's a magnetic dealer. You can stand out in the crowd. Next slide, please. So this is our company showroom. Just the glimpses of that. Go on, madam, just go on showing this. So this is the inner view. Next. This is the product Sonjo, especially for the elderly people, 50+ age group and so. It's a very lightweight, very economical, and it gives a range with around 80 kilometers per charge. Next slide, please. This is a Beijing. Beijing is a beauty, feminine product, especially developed for the office-going women or housewives. Next slide, please. Sugoi is a youthfulness, especially designed for the youth. Next slide, please. And the Sonjay is an executive bike which you can take to office or take to badminton court in early morning. While if you are using a car, you will use car for the office use and this bike for the small travels. So this is a very ideal bike for the executive class. Next slide, please. So there are few more models like Shosha, Tanoshi, and all. These will be coming within 1 year of after this launch of first 4 bikes. Next slide. These are few more models which will follow in next 1 year to take care of each and every segment and each and every market. Next, please. So we request you to join the revolution, join the Delta Sakura, India's tomorrow's #1 brand. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Dr. Arvind, I think thank you very much for a very elaborate presentation, and I loved the part of the survey which you presented. I think this was unique, and this is something which all the other brand owners should also understand. You know, it's the best way to really present your brand is from a market, what market is talking about, and I think it was a very good indication. I think that nobody in the audience also would have any doubt that this is future. This is future, and this is now also conventional technologies have been restricting this, and now with the guidelines given by the Government of India and very clearly passed already, so there is no more ambiguity left. Yes. Because everybody has to understand that why changes don't come in industry, why it changes. This is not that electric vehicle was not invented. Even Hero Electric was started 10 years back.
Yeah,
they had the technology, but because of their conventional technology investments, for a company like Hero or a Bajaj would have invested billions in their conventional technology. So they don't like to bring the change so fast, because if they bring the change, what happens to that capex, that investment they have done?
That is why. That is the point.
So a lot of times change really comes from two pieces. One, it came from the overall disruption or regulation change, which is now we seeing in the electric, or the consumer change. And I feel that both things are happening simultaneously in the electric space now. Consumer is becoming very conscious about what they want to use, from the ease of usage, but the cost effectiveness of the usage from a consumer viewpoint is much more cost effective. It's convenience, because you don't have to go to petrol pumps, you don't have to do that, especially for young people who are in the work and study. They normally go early morning. They don't have to go to petrol pump and get the petrol done and things like that. You charge your bike like you charge your phone, you charge your laptop, you charge everything. Charge your bike and you go in the morning for your tuitions and colleges or schools or wherever. Even this was actually a big segment in China for school-going kids. It's a segment which is especially at an age group of 15 to 18. They need mobility. They're happy to go and mobile, and I think so. They use electric cycles and electric bikes, and more electric bikes for distant travels, and especially then when you go to university and areas of that. That's where it really started revolutionizing, because they need something to commute. It's an easy commute, and India also had in the conventional technology also, from the days of the moped where really came in and things of that nature. It became a convenience situation of the last mile linkage. Space. So the conventional technologies now are being pushed by one from a consumer change viewpoint and also from a regulator viewpoint. Both changes are clearly coming in, and so there is undoubtedly the next 4 or 5 years everywhere in the country will see the mushrooming of these bikes available, and almost every home would have one of these bikes coming in. So Delta Sakura is ahead of the curve. They're ahead of the curve. This curve you would see, and if you as a franchisee also want to be ahead of the curve, you need to start now. Because if you really see in the conventional technology also, people who made money in Maruti dealerships or Hero dealerships or a Bajaj dealerships were people who took the dealership in an early stage. People who made really big money in Bajaj dealerships were in early 80s. Hero dealerships, people made when motorcycle really came in was early 90s. People really made a lot of money. early 90s, the bike scooter to bike shift happened, and Hero led that. And Hero Honda was the bike. And if you are a dealership of that nature at that time, you were very, very successful. Similarly, if you're a dealer in the Maruti stage in 84, 85, 86, when the Maruti started, you made a lot of money. Everybody made a lot of money because this was structure. So we are at the same infection level with the same kind of a structure. So we don't have to really compare it with conventional technology. We need to really see that this is a new industry and new category which is emerging, and new set of brands would emerge, and that's where the opportunity is. So, Dr. Saab, I would like to start with a little competitive landscape, because competition to हर इंडस्ट्री में है और बहुत सारे players इसमें आ रहे हैं, and some bigger groups are there. Compton is a technology provider now. A lot of other companies which are coming in. How would you, you've given a beautiful answer on a lot of value added part of it, which means the guarantees, the warranties which are coming in, and other kind of support, which is very important because this business, a lot of people have failed. Earlier also, a lot of people was just importing from China and other things. They failed. Why they failed? Because one, they didn't have a right distribution capability, and most importantly, aftermarket. Aftermarket is a very big capability. Why people choose a OEM? Because there is an aftermarket capability, and warranties plays a very important role. And because they have a full setup in India, so they would be able to do that. But from a competition landscape, अगर average consumer को decision लेना हो differentiated करके, तो वो Delta Scoras के versus any other opportunity में क्यों करेगा? And leave aside the warranty part of it, just by the product itself, how unique is our product?
The first thing is products are specially designed for Indian market by spending a 3 years time on that. We are not just imported a product like within many mushrooming company are doing. They are importing 1 or 2 containers, whatever available. You will see our products on jail. You will find that it is meeting each and every requirement of Indian consumer. You see the Bizil, it is a feminine product. Every lady will be proud to sit on that bike. So this is of aesthetics. When it comes from technology, we have tested each and every bike for 20,000 kilometers in different terrains of India, different road conditions of India. And most of them roads, we went not on tar road, we went on the rough roads, interior roads, village roads, because we wanted to take endurance test of our bike. And we are very proudly saying that no bike failed in this 20-kilometer test. And then we are ready to launch it. Our next 3 models are also on road now, and they are under testing. Once the testing is fulfilled, we will launch them. So see, we have got enough patience. We are not here to come, sell, earn profit. We are here to come, establish ourselves, establish our dealers, nurture them, and create a community of e-business like a company, distributor, dealer, and everybody is growing hand in hand. That is our philosophy, and we are looking with that perspective, and that is the difference what we see in the competition and us.
So it's a customized product for India and is fully tested. You're not bringing one container from outside and putting there and selling it. It doesn't work at all because
it doesn't work.
China is very different terrain and different structure. India is very different, especially in our our development, our roads and everything else is very, very different. So it needs a different kind of suspension. That's why international companies were not able to do much, even in the conventional technology. If you see the Bajaj and Hero were indigenous products, and that's why they were able to survive.
So I'll just share an example, though it is not related to our thing. When Honda launched Activa and changed the market from motorcycles to scooters, they launched in 2001, but they were working on that product since 1998. And I was as a dealer associated with Honda since 98, so I know all these things, how things were taken forward, how the market surveys were done. So you can say we have copied them in the market survey, we have copied them on doing the market research, because that experience gave us what Indian customer needs and how we should treat it.
So Dr. Arvind comes with a very strong pedigree of his own experience in the two-wheeler space. So he understands where OEMs have done, and Honda is a great OEM. Honda is a great company, and they've globally really work on market understanding. And if you really see Honda in India, almost all products of theirs, they brought in by a huge survey. All the products suited and designed for India and just not being brought from outside and put it. So this is one of the differentiation Delta has done. So Delta has already had the lead. So even if somebody wants to start now, it would take at least 2 to 3 years for them to go through this whole
Yeah,
ride.
definitely,
From a
sir.
component viewpoint, component to assembly, assembly to trials,
Yeah.
and trials to run 20,000 kilometers to test that is not an easy cycle. And I
And in
said,
that period, we will move again ahead because we have not stopped, we have not halted. Our new
yeah,
products are under designing, under this test rides.
correct.
So we'll keep on moving ahead, sir.
So currently they're ahead of the business and there are four models already out. Another four are in the pipeline and they
Yeah.
continue to evolve and address different target groups. The target group clearly is utility, which is very big target
Yeah.
group. Target group is delivery. So a lot of people who use for heavy usage, but they use delivery and they need much more robust kind of structure. They've designed product which is a little bit family, elderless, entire thing, product for women, which has to be aesthetically more towards them. Then they have a product for youngsters, which are more edgy and cutting edge design. And then they have a lot of other products coming in, especially the bikes we saw was
Yeah.
beautiful bikes coming in more for youngsters who want to really have a different aesthetics on their bikes and things like that. So on the business model, एक डीलरशिप में क्या क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट जाएगा डॉक्टर साहब, if we can really go through that. And
We
before
have
I
three
go,
different models. Shall we open the ROI sheets and speak?
या we will go, और एक आप पहले उससे पहले एक आंसर कर दीजिए कि जो प्रोडक्ट की प्राइसिंग है और
हाँ.
इसके ऊपर EMI ऑप्शंस बैंक उसी तरह देते हैं ऑटो फाइनेंस की तरह या डिफरेंट ऑटो फाइनेंस है?
No, no, same like auto finance, but many banks are involved from State Bank to Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank, plus the NBFCs like the Capital First or other things. But we have got a understanding and system that within 15 minutes the loan is approved. Suppose a customer walks into the dealership, we just take the customer's PAN card number and we proceed it on the internet. And within 15 minutes, it is approved. And suppose if it is
Like
acceptable to the customer, yeah.
ऑटो लोन टुडे एंड स्पेशली दिस इज अ लो कॉस्ट. और ये
Low
अपनी
cost.
चार जो मॉडल्स हैं इनकी प्राइसिंग क्या है डॉक्टर साहब?
It is between 75,000 to 85,000 rupees.
75 to 85,000 rupees is standard pricing, which comes with a 5-year warranty.
5 years warranty.
And warranty on tires is something which I think very, very difficult to get. Even I think original tire manufacturers would not also not able to give that because even so it's a tubeless tire, so it is and they are putting this because they want to create a lot of reassurance. Even if they have to go all out to service some people, they would do that. Because the OEM brand is for a very long period. What they are seeding today is what Mr. Rahul Bajaj would have seeded in 1960s and late 50s. This is what, and
Obviously.
that gives you 5 decades of a historic journey and growth.
Yeah.
And that's what the vision for Delta Square is also, that they are creating a OEM for few decades to come in.
Definitely.
So एक बार हम वो financial देख लें डॉक्टर साहब.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shall I share the screen or so? Archana, ma'am, will you do for me?
Archana, can you share the screen?
Or if it is visible, I will open.
हाँ जी.
Is it visible?
It's you have to screen is visible, but we have to open up the.
Yeah, I open. I already opened. That is why.
दोबारा लोड करना पड़ेगा. हाँ जी. मिस्टर प्रज्ञेश शाह हैं बड़ौदा से. बड़ौदा गुजरात बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है. गुजरात में एक तो टू व्हीलर और इसकी मार्केट जो है बड़ौदा इज वेरी वेरी गुड मार्केट. सो इट्स अ Mr. Shah, if you are interested in Baroda, I think it's a fabulous market for a category like this. Actually, India B city story is even bigger. A lot of we talk about, I think the B and C story in India is much bigger.
Is it visible, sir?
नहीं अभी भी नहीं. मुझे लगता है एक बार आप उसे remove करके
Yes, sir.
दोबारा
Yeah. It says the screen sharing is paused. So I think from your side it is paused. Just
you
a
are
minute. No,
allowed.
it is there.
Yeah, you
Okay.
have
Now it will be available. I think. Am I opening it?
Or you want, I can.
Yeah. Please see, ma'am. Now it is open.
No, आपको एक बार remove करना पड़ेगा दोबारा. Just stop sharing and then.
Stop sharing and then reload again.
Visible?
नहीं, अर्चना आप कर लो. Yeah, now it's visible. So it's,
Okay.
make it
Okay.
full.
Good.
Make it a full screen, please.
Yes, sir.
Hanji.
So this is the planet. This is a basic model, which comes with a total investment of only 12 lakhs rupees. This is suitable for taluka places, suburbs, chowpals, and the small towns of India. The role is retailing and servicing. That is a 2 years dealership. The franchisee fee is 3 lakhs rupees. Showroom required just 200 square feet with a 10 feet glass frontage. Company is providing main board and branding. All you need to keep a stock of around 10 units and accessory stock of 1 lakh rupees. For sales promotional activities, company will do lot of activities on its own. Plus, if dealer wants to do some local activity, like participating in local events and all, company shares a 50% expenses of that. This model is very light on manpower. The owner itself can work as a sales executive, and he just needs a technician to help him. So only 2 people can this dealership. Here we have given the breakup of the 12 lakh rupees investment. 7 lakhs rupees goes in vehicle stock, 1 lakh in accessories, 3 lakhs in franchisee fees. Furniture, fixture, glass is 1 lakh rupees, so that makes a 12 lakh rupees. And the margins are like this: the 10% margin on the vehicle, service revenue 1000 rupees per vehicle from second year. As we are offering warranty, services as mandatory, so every customer will 100% come for the service, because he will take a paid service and that amount will be reimbursed by Delta Sakura to the customer again. So for customer, the service is free, but dealer earns money out of that. This is something unique we are offering. Then on accessories, dealer will earn 100% margin, spare part 20%, batteries 10%. For test ride vehicle, we are offering 35% discount right now upfront. We are sharing that cost for the test rides. And when required, we will always there to support case to case basis to our partner, because we understand in India every market behaves differently. So different market, different need. So we're always there to support it. Here it is shown in this thing. If you go with the OPEX, the rent of 2000 square feet shop will be around 15,000 rupees. Salary of technician will be 10,000 rupees. Promotion, that will be 10,000 rupees or his expenses. Electricity, 4 miscellaneous will come 10,000 rupees, because he is operating from a very small setup of 200 square feet. So this 45,000 rupees are expenses. Annual basis, it makes 5.4 lakhs. Now if you see at the sales, so if he is selling 10 units a month, he will be earning annual basis 11 lakhs 40,000 rupees from sales. So after deducting the expenses, he will have 6 lakhs rupees of profit, which makes a 53% ROI in first year itself. Second year in expenses, we have calculated 10% hike. So expenses will increase by 10%. In sales, we have considered only 2 units extra. So if he is selling 10 units this year, he will sell 12 units. We are very conservative on this calculation, because if any new bikes comes, the sales will automatically increase. So by 12 units per month, he will sell 144 units. So he can make up 14 lakh 40,000 rupees. Plus he will earn service income on the bikes which were sold in the first year. So that makes a total profit of 15 lakh 60,000 rupees. After deducting the 6 lakhs rupees of expenses, he will earn around 10 lakhs rupees a year. That is 62% ROI. And in third year, again, we have taken the inflation of 10%. So expenses will go to 6.53. projected retail sale from 12 units to 15 units. So 180 units in a year. That gives him a retail margin of 19 lakhs rupees. Plus service income will come on the vehicles sold on first and second year. So that is another 2 lakhs 64,000. That makes about 21 lakhs minus expenses. So the 15 lakhs rupees will be the profit. So if you will see here the 12 lakhs investment, it will be 100% back within 2 years of the operations, and thereafter he can cherish the profit in long term. Shall I move to the next model, sir?
Yes, please. Very helpful. This is a good structure. Only 12 lakh rupees, if you see, you can
Yeah.
make. And
Yeah.
according
So
to
we are
the
giving this opportunity in people in taluka places or small places.
सारे जोनल प्लेसेस में, छोटे
Yeah.
सिटीज में,
छोटे cities में
मतलब
ये काम
आप
करेगा.
उनमें
हाँ.
आप सब घूम सकते हैं.
Yeah.
This is like where you have a population of 2 lakh or 1
Yeah.
lakh kind of a population.
मतलब जहाँ पे सब डीलर काम कर रहे हैं पेट्रोल व्हीकल्स के, वो सब डीलर्स को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे हमारे ऑथोराइज डीलर से. And being an authorized dealer, he will be connected with the company from morning 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have got a special app for our dealers. So he will have a continuous assistance from the company or anything comes. So I move to the Galaxy model. Around 3 or 4 Galaxy stores will be in one district of a population of 30-40 lakhs. In states like Haryana, Punjab, where districts are small, we will also restrict the number of Galaxies there. So his role is retail, wholesale plus service. So he will sell retail to the customers, and wholesale he will do for the planets. Around 4 to 6 planet stores will come under him. Like suppose if our dealer is placed in Ludhiana, so under Ludhiana in taluka places the planet will be there, and in Ludhiana the Galaxy will be operating, and he will be catering
Galaxy
to 4 to
comes in the big
6.
city and इसमें हम उनको अपॉइंट करने की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे सकते हैं कि भाई मैं गैलेक्सी लेता हूँ लुधियाना के अंदर, छोटे छोटे जो
नहीं हम दे सकते हैं, बट विल कम ऑन लेटर दैट, बिकॉज हम एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट यूज करना चाहते हैं कि डीलर हो या गैलेक्सी हो, वो एक सिस्टम में काम करे, तो वो रिकमेंड अपॉइंट हम करेंगे. दे कैन ऑलवेज ब्रिंग अप, दे कैन रिकमेंड इट, लेकिन कुछ क्राइटेरिया है वो चेक करके हम उन्हें अपॉइंट करेंगे.
करेक्ट
क्योंकि हम पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनके ऊपर नहीं डालेंगे, क्योंकि अभी मार्केट में कुछ कंपनियों ने वो किया है, एंड दे आर फेसिंग द फेल्यूर्स इन दैट. So we want to do proper due diligence and all, and we want to appoint them. Let our parties to recommend us. That is not an issue.
करेक्ट.
Yeah. So here the franchise fees is 5 lakhs rupees. Infrastructure required is a 500 square feet of showroom with a 20 feet of frontage. Another 3 to 500 square feet place is required for workshop cum warehouse, because workshop is a mandatory as per RTO norms when we bring the high-end models. So right now it is not required, but it may require within a period of 1 year. So we are insisting that people should have the infrastructure right now, so they don't suffer after 1 year. Because if you ask them to shift after 1 year, it will be a unnecessary waste of money. So we are telling them for RTO norms they require this. So they should plan another 300 to 500 square feet place.
ये एक मिनट गैलेक्सी का भी आप अगर वो डाल सके स्क्रीन पे.
हाँ सर, गैलेक्सी डाला है ना सर, मैंने स्क्रीन पे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
वो
मैं जब से मैं बोल रहा हूँ डाला ही है सर. अर्चना मैम आप डालेगी प्लीज.
Sonia, you want to in the meantime start picking
Yes,
up questions running.
देखिए क्या हुआ.
Pick up the slide.
गैलेक्सी.
Maybe I'll pick some
I'll
questions.
just put, sir.
Okay.
हेलो. Hello. Hello.
Yep.
I think it is visible now.
Now visible. Yep.
So galaxy, around 4 to 6 planets under one galaxy. Franchise fee 5 lakhs rupees. Area required is a 500 square feet with 20 feet frontage. 300 square feet additional as a workshop and warehouse. Branding and main board will be supplied by company. Minimum stock level is 24 units. Minimum investment is in 50,000 rupees in spare part and battery and 2.5 lakhs in accessories where he is going to have a 100% margin. Then he requires one mini LCV like Tata XL or Mahindra, whatever the small vehicle for transportation and demo thing. For this vehicle, we are offering a 50% subsidy. Then he needs a computer, printer, internet and phone. Sales promotional activity, again the same company will take care of that, but something he wants to do locally there, company will share a 50% of that. Again, this model is lightweight on manpower. One sales executive, one technician and one LCV driver. 3 people are sufficient to run the business. Working capital goes this way. In 24 units, 17 lakh rupees. Then in 3 lakhs rupees, accessories and parts. 5 lakhs rupees is a franchisee fee. Furniture, fixture, glass, 1 lakh rupees. And 4 lakhs in van, that makes a 30 lakhs. But for van, he can go for a bank loan also. So he can reduce his investment by 3.5 lakhs. Here margins are again same. He will earn 10% on retail and 1,000 rupees on wholesale on every vehicle sold to Planet. You will get a commission of 1,000 rupees because Planet is going to buy 4 vehicles, 6 vehicles in a single stroke. In service revenue, 1,000 rupees will start from next year. Accessories 100% margin, spare 20%, batteries 10%, schemes as and when announced, and on LCV the 50% subsidy, on test ride scooter 35,000 rupees is discount what we are offering upfront right now. Next slide please, ma'am. Okay, next slide please. So these are the calculations. We have done 2 different calculations for tier 1 city and tier B city, because in tier 1 city the rent and the salary goes on higher side. So if you see here, investment part we have already discussed, it is same in tier A and tier B. But on rental things, we have considered monthly rent of 80,000 rupees in tier 1 city and 50,000 in tier B. In salary, we have considered 60,000 rupees in tier A and 40,000 rupees in tier B. Promotional expenses and LCV running charges will be around 20,000 rupees per month, same in both places. Electricity, phone and miscellaneous will be around 10,000 rupees. So in A class cities, they will spend around 1,70,000 a month. In B tier city, they will spend 1.2 lakhs. So annual basis, A tier city expenses will be 20 lakhs, B city will be 14 lakhs. There is no additional working capital required, so interest burden is not coming in the first year. Here we are giving him minimum 4 AD. AD means a Planet. We are saying between 4 to 6, but at least 4 he will have in the first year. And there we are seeing that they are selling 10 units per, but here we are calculated on only 8 units on a conservative basis. So he will be doing a wholesale of 32 units. And in retail, he will be selling around 1 unit per day, that is a 30 units a month. So annual wholesale will be 384 units and annual retail will be 360 units. So in income, if you will see, the wholesale margin remains same, 3,84,000 per both. But in A, he's selling around 30 units a month, so he will sell around 34 lakhs rupees from retail sales. And in B, his sale will be little less, 288 units, so he will earn around 27 lakhs rupees. This is not a thumb rule. Sometimes in B towns also sale will come more. and B person will earn more money. That is also quite possible. And these income, whatever we have calculated, 38 lakhs and 31 lakhs, does not include spare part margin, accidental repairs, battery swapping interest, or the insurance margin. We have not calculated that income. That will be an additional thing. So it will reduce 20 lakh rupees expenses from that. He is going to earn around 17 lakh 64,000, that is 59% ROI in A class city. Now again 17 lakhs in B city. So that comes up 56% ROI. If we carry the same thing in next year with 10% inflation, madam, please show the second year. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
yes.
Okay. So 10% inflation. So next year he may require additional working capital, and we are offering an inventory funding limit to our dealers, distributors in second year of operations. It will be a subsidized. So suppose if bank charges a 12% interest, we will share a 6% interest on that. So their interest burden will come down. Rather, this loan will be sanctioned by keeping us in the loop. So we will see that they get a subsidized inventory funding. So that benefit will be 100% there. So next year, along with the 10% inflation and interest with the calculation of 12%, it will come 26 lakhs rupees the expenses. We will add one more Planet store under them, and he will sell around 10 units this year. So 50 is the wholesale and 36 is the retail expected. So in A town, 86 is the retail, B town, 80 is the retail, sorry, BT is the total sale. So on annual basis, if you will see, wholesale margin will remain same at both places on 600 units, 6 lakhs rupees each. In retail margin, in 8 years city, he'll be selling 432 units, so earning 43 lakhs. In B town, he'll be selling 360 units, so earning 36 lakhs. And service income on the vehicle sold in first year, it will come 3.6 lakhs and 2.88 lakhs. So that makes a total income of 52.8 lakhs and 44.8 lakhs. So if you reduce the expenses from that, the profit before tax will stand around 27 lakhs and 25 lakhs, which gives a very good ROI of 89% and 85%. So his investment of 30 lakhs is 100% recovered within 18 months of the operations. Now we move to the third year. Again, we have calculated the inflation of
I think we have
10%.
the screen, I think we missed the screen again.
Screen is with Archana, I think.
Archana?
Archana is showing the screen, I think. Is it visible?
I think she's also
Can you
facing
share
a
the
problem.
screen again? We have lost the screen.
Actually, Archana was sharing the screen. I haven't shared because I'm facing problem.
She's also facing some problem now with the sharing. Archana, you have screen?
Just allow me 1 minute. I'm also facing the problem. Just give me 1 minute.
In the meantime, Sonia, there's a lot of questions out
Right.
there.
We can answer this. No
I'll
problem.
take those, and I'd like to thank Dr. Arvind sir. I think your presentation has been very, very detailed and explanatory, and does not leave too many things which needs to be answered. But I still pick up some questions which we need to
Sure.
answer, and I've taken note of some of these questions which our viewers wanted to know. First and foremost, sir, what is the battery life typically? For a vehicle, and how many charging hours does it take? And third is the speed of these vehicles. If these three we can take together.
Okay. First, the battery is manufactured in our Kolhapur plant. We have provided the battery with a battery management system that is a chip inside with a software. It has got this simple small battery, so it takes care when the battery or the vehicle is not on. So BMS, the battery management system, is working 24/7. So it takes care of avoiding overheating of the battery. Secondly, when we put the battery on charge, it takes care of charging all the cells at par. When it is discharging, it takes care that all cells are discharging at par. And it takes care of disconnecting the electricity when battery is fully charged. So it can give you minimum 2000 cycles life. Now 2000 cycle means you can calculate minimum 7 to 8 years if you are charging on daily basis. A daily charging time required is 3 hours, and we have developed one app. When the vehicle is sold to the customer, our dealer will enter the customer's mobile number into the app, and customer will get a battery charging reminder as and when required. So customer is never in the situation ki main bhul gaya, I have forgotten or something like that. So he will get two reminders. One is for battery charging, and one is when the service is due. So we are taking utmost care of our customers and dealers also this way.
2000 charge cycles. you said.
Charge cycles. Actually,
2000
charge cycle.
2000
charge-
charge cycles would mean 150,000 kilometers.
Yeah. Yeah.
That should be anyway Guinness Book of World Record if you run 150,000.
Yeah. It is obvious, sir. But in India, people generally change the bike between 4 and 5 years, and nobody travels this much of thing, especially on scooters.
Scooter 160,000 would be a.
No one drives, sir. No one drives it.
You should rather put a, you should also put a challenge. If you do all the 160,000, I will give you money back. Bring the back.
We have kept one challenge there. If you travel 40,000 kilometers, we'll give you a tire set free, because we know people will not travel even 40,000. When we did a survey of more than 30,000 customers who are using scooters, they say daily running is less than 30 kilometers.
Yeah. Especially for, I think these.
And in 5 years, almost they are doing 35,000, 38,000. So we have put the slab of 40,000. 40,000 किलोमीटर चलाओ और टायर का सेट फ्री ले लो.
Absolutely.
खराब हो जाओ या ना हो, हम उसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे.
Absolutely.
That is, we want to keep a relation with the customer forever. तो बैटरी टायर फ्री है तो 5 साल हमारे साथ रहेगा.
Correct. अभी हमारे एक हॉटलाइन पे क्वेश्चन आया नमन जी का, and he is saying that people are asking on hotline also questions. He is saying कि कितने dealerships आपने अभी शुरू कर दिए, because you have one mega.
See, we have launched the product on 15th August only, and we have got only 2 stores as on date. We are not in hurry, and before 15-20 days we signed an exclusivity agreement with you. So we have not appointed any dealer thereafter, and we are forwarding all inquiries to you.
Yeah. Franchise
So
India
only
is an
2 stores
exclusive.
we have. Only 2 stores we have, and you might have noted that right now we have bookings of 150 plus vehicles, and we are starting delivery by November end or December. We are not in hurry to launch in one city or something. We want to do a mega launch plan over India. So we
And
launch it
franchise
in
India
November and
takes
December.
all over India expansion.
Yeah.
We are exclusive partner for expansion.
Yeah.
We are very excited. We want to be the fastest growing OEM brand in e-vehicles with Delta. That's our commitment with Delta. So please reach us for any kind of inquiry, any city. We'll review the situation. They are already choosy also while they're open, because they want to really, because he comes from a background of understanding OEM results. He understands very clearly that good partner, the only condition they have put by us is that please bring the right partner who understands and are committed to the brand for a long time. That's very important for us.
And sir, one more thing I want to mention here, that our business network expansion plan is done so beautifully by Mr. Deepak Pandey. Deepak Pandey is a tycoon in the industry. He has got experience as national head sales and marketing for Okinawa, for Hero Electric. Then he was a national head for business development in Suzuki motorcycles. And above all, he was a national head for network expansion for Honda motorcycles and scooters. So he comes with a very rich experience, and our expansion keys are in his hands.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So whatever our business model or whatever speak, it will speak the you can say it's a heritage of Honda, Suzuki, what they have done in all other countries and all. So Deepak Pandey is taking the best things out of that.
Absolutely. He's a renowned person, veteran in the industry,
Yeah.
and with his support and structure, it can be very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
So now I want to take few questions because
Yes.
I think
Yeah,
Yes,
we're
sir.
already out of time. I think one question I see from Mr. Shah, and he's rather posted many questions. And Mr. Shah will also send you the information as requested by you. He wants to know the manufacturing facility for e-scooters. Where are these manufactured?
Kolhapur, Maharashtra, where we sit, where our HQ, our office is also in Kolhapur.
Right. One more question, which I'll also maybe integrate, Dr. Saab. एक online sales, lot of companies are also doing online sales. अभी हमने शुरू कर दिया है online.
Madam, to be very frank with you, we don't want to disturb our dealer community, so we are not going for online sales.
Okay.
Because when we will do online sales, the margin will go to the online portal. So we want to make our dealer brothers strong. So we will sell only through the dealers, no online sales, no unauthorized sales.
Sure. So that pretty much answers, because I had some people who wanted this information. And with this, Dr. Saab, I think we'll wind up this session. But
Madam,
I see,
distributorship model, we have to speak at least because that is the biggest model
right,
available with
right.
us.
I think we can take that up quickly, Archana, if you have that
Yeah.
available, because we have a lot of our viewers also requesting us to maybe email, because it was very comprehensive, very detailed. Some of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
information would have been absorbed and retained by them, but they will still
Yeah.
miss maybe a bigger part of that. And for all of you friends, we'll be, having maybe one of the days in the coming week where you can also have one-on-one discussion with Dr. Saab, and we'll request you to please share your profiles with us, your locations, and little bit about your properties if you own. It'll help us in maybe selecting and making that half an hour slot that we put with you more productive. So we can start with
I think Archana has started the screen
yeah.
sharing.
प्लेनेट है अर्चना आगे जाओ इसमें हमें उस पे जाना है गैलेक्सी प्लेनेट हो गया हमें
हाँ।
लास्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे जाना
लास्ट में जाना है हमें कॉस्मोस
In the meantime, you can explain by the time the screen comes in.
Yeah, I will reply your queries then, no problem.
ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मॉडल है ये कितना बड़ा क्या फॉर्मेट है इसका?
सर उसका फॉर्मेट ये है कि उसका फ्रेंचाइजी फी 10 लाख रुपए है
जी।
वेयर हाउस रिक्वायरमेंट 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का है।
आ गया 10 लाख रुपए फ्रेंचाइज फीस है और 2000 स्क्वायर फीट
2000 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया रिक्वायर्ड है।
ये शोरूम है या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया हुआ?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है सर, ओनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल है, वेयर हाउसिंग है, सिर्फ वेयर हाउसिंग है। तो 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का वेयर हाउस लगेगा और उनका ट्रकिंग खुद का हो तो भी चलता है या दे कैन डू द आउटसोर्सिंग। उनके लिए है मिनिमम स्टॉक लेवल है 150 यूनिट 150 यूनिट्स एंड स्पेयर पार्ट एंड एक्सेसरीज अराउंड 15 lakhs rupees. They will be catering around 20 Galaxy stores. In some districts like UP or Maharashtra, it will come in 6 districts, and in states like Haryana, it will be entire state. So they will be catering this way, 20 units of Galaxy. So on manpower, they require just one manager and one cleaner for keeping the vehicles clean. As a support, we are providing a very strong security system for the warehouse free of cost. And we are providing a vacuum cleaner also to keep the vehicles clean. That is also free of cost. Then the sales margin here is 1,500 rupees per vehicle. On accessories, spare parts 5% and batteries 500 rupees. Then we will share warehouse rent 50%. It is mentioned 40 here, but we have made it 50%. So 50% subsidy on warehouse rent. 6% interest cost we will share. So it is again equal to the 50% of subsidy. And on logistic, we will bear the 50% of the cost. So we will support him in all the expenses. अर्चना जी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड लीजिए जिसमें वो देख पाएंगे ज़्यादा डिटेल्स। हाँ, तो हम यहाँ ये देखते हैं सर कि उनके जो वेयर हाउस का रेंट आएगा ए सिटी में, ये मैंने काफ़ी एनालिसिस करके काफ़ी लोगों से पूछ के फिगर लिए है। 20 रुपए स्क्वायर फीट वेयर हाउस मिलता है बड़े शहर में, और मिड शहर में वो 10 या 15 रुपए के बीच मिलता है। तो वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड रेंटल्स 40,000 rupees in A town, then manager salary is 30,000 rupees, because manager का रोल बहुत छोटा है. He has to just receive the order and payment and dispatch the vehicle by invoicing. That's all. There is no other work required. And as they are catering around 20 galaxies, they will have a maximum 40-50 invoices a month. So दिन के 2 invoice कर देने का काम है, ज़्यादा काम मैनेजर को भी नहीं है. Then the cleaner salary is 15,000 rupees we have taken. Electricity, phone we have taken 20. So monthly expenses comes to 1 lakh rupees, that is 12. And आप उसके बाद देखेंगे कि ये वेरिएबल एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे. जैसे हमने सेल लिया है कि 50 यूनिट गैलेक्सी बेचेगा और 20 गैलेक्सी है, 30 यूनिट्स गैलेक्सी बेचेगा. वहाँ तो हमने कैलकुलेट किया कि गैलेक्सी 50 बेचेगा, लेकिन यहाँ हम बहुत कंजर्वेटिव सोच के जा रहे हैं. तो 600 यूनिट बेचेगा 30 into 20, तो साल के 60,200 यूनिट होते हैं. उसको हमने एक स्टेप और कंजर्वेटिव किया है कि 50% ही सक्सेस मिलता है. तो हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर 3600 गाड़ी की ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करेगा. तो भी आप उसको डिटेल में देखते हैं कि उसका मार्जिन हो जाएगा 57,000 रुपीज़ और सब्सिडीज हो जाएगी अराउंड 17 लाख रुपीज. तो 75-76 lakh rupees is the profit, and if you remove the expenses, his profit will be around 48 lakh rupees. So that is around 40% ROI यहाँ पे आएगा A क्लास में. ये हमने मतलब पहले 50% किया, बाद में 50% किया, तो एक्चुअल का जो आ सकता है उसका 25% ही सक्सेस हम देख रहे हैं. हम इसलिए कंजर्वेटिव है कि ये 1 करोड़ के ऊपर का इन्वेस्टमेंट का प्लान है. इन्वेस्टर को ये ना लगे कि कंपनी शोइंग समथिंग टेम्पटिंग थिंग. हमने 6,000 बोला और फिर वो 5,800 हो गया तो वो नाराज हो जाएगा. तो आज हम उसको 3600 बोल रहे हैं. 3600 करके हम 5,800 कर जाएंगे तो वो ज़्यादा खुश हो जाएगा. एंड आवर वन बिजनेस डेवलप मैनेजर विल बी सिटिंग देयर with a distributor, and he will be taking care of all the Galaxy stores. So he will see the institutional sales, he will see the repeat orders. तो मार्केट में काम करेगा and he will be associated with one distributor. तो उसका दूसरा कोई काम नहीं रहेगा. मतलब हमने भटिंडा में या लुधियाना में एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनाया है, तो हमारा बंदा उसकी पूरी केयर वहाँ बैठ कर करेगा. और बैक ऑफिस से हमारा सपोर्ट रहेगा वो अलग है, लेकिन एक फिजिकल सपोर्ट जो चाहिए मार्केट में वो वहाँ बैठ कर देगी. और जो भी लॉजिस्टिक एक्सपेंसेस आते हैं, मैंने एक्सेल शीट में काफ़ी डिटेल में उसका ये दिया है. आउटसोर्स करते हैं तो 2 रुपये पर व्हीकल पर किलोमीटर आता है. खुद का ट्रकिंग करते हैं तो 50% कम हो जाता है. और जो भी हो हम सब्सिडी तो देने वाली है उसको. और नेक्स्ट ईयर का भी आप देख लेंगे, 10% इन्फ्लेशन से पकड़ा है और 60% सक्सेस पकड़ा है. तो भी 1 करोड़ के ऊपर उनका प्रॉफिट जाता है और एक्सपेंसेस छोड़ के 70 lakhs के आसपास रिटेन कर सकते हैं. तो टाइम की कमी है इसलिए मैं सब कुछ नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है उनको आप ये स्लाइड शेयर कर सकते हैं. और तीसरे साल इनका प्रॉफिट 1 करोड़ के ऊपर जाने वाला है. और इनके लिए भी हम इन्वेंट्री फंडिंग अगले साल से करने वाले हैं, जो भी सब्सिडाइज रेट में इनको फाइनेंस मिल जाएगा.
वेरी गुड. इसमें फाइनेंस ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल है आपके लिए.
हाँ,
आप
फाइनेंस ऑप्शन है
और सारी इन्वेंट्री है. कुछ ऐसा कैपेक्स नहीं है एक्चुअली. आपका इन्वेंट्री वर्किंग कैपिटल सिर्फ स्टॉक में
वर्किंग कैपिटल छोड़ा तो कोई भी कॉस्ट नहीं है.
और आपको सारा वर्किंग कैपिटल पे ही बिजनेस है, तो वर्किंग कैपिटल में कभी भी चैलेंज नहीं होता है. तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड मॉडल. ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन 3 टियर मॉडल है. इसमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के ऊपर नीचे 20 गैलेक्सी होते हैं और हर गैलेक्सी के नीचे 4 से 5 प्लैनेट होते हैं. तो ये अगर आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर जो है वो स्टेट लेवल पे आता है. उसके बाद अगर आप समझें, अगर पंजाब की ले लें तो पंजाब में आप पूरी पंजाब ले सकते हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. और उसके बाद आप गैलेक्सी बनेगा समझो मोहाली में, लुधियाना में, जलंधर में, अमृतसर में, बठिंडा में, पटियाला में, इनमें सब में गैलेक्सी बनेंगे. और इन गैलेक्सीज के नीचे छोटे सिटीज होंगे, नवा शहर है, ये है वो
हाँ
है,
हाँ, तालुका प्लेसेस एंड ऑल जो भी है,
जितने भी प्लेसेस हैं वहां पर आपके प्लेनेट बनेंगे।
प्लेनेट
ओवरऑल एक मार्केट के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी बन जाती है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के हमारे पास बहुत लोग आते हैं, जब हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दिला दो तो दिस इज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर पीपल टू स्टार्ट अ ग्रेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्ट्रक्चर। इसमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है, रिटेल की भी है, आफ्टर मार्केट की भी है, सर्विस की भी अपॉर्चुनिटी है। So thank you, Dr. Saab. I think it was very, very insightful. While we have taken 20 minutes extra, but I think it is worth it. We have a lot of questions. I think we have over 75 plus questions we have answered. So it's very interesting. So please, if you all interested in either distribution, Galaxy, or even Planet model, please reach out to us with full details on our business hotline number. हम नेक्स्ट वीक के अंदर डॉक्टर साहब के साथ एक बड़ा मेगा रखवा रहे हैं। बहुत डिमांड आई है इनके पास, अपने पास इनकी वेबसाइट पे बहुत सारी इंक्वायरीज रेगुलर आ रही हैं। पीपल वांट टू टेक डीलरशिप्स, क्योंकि एक्सक्लूसिविटी भी होगा इसके अंदर। कुछ रीजन का तब तक ये अवेलेबल है जब तक ओपन नहीं, स्पेशली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के। अगर एक बार हमने किसी को डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दे दिया तो उस मार्केट में किसी और को नहीं दे सकते। सो इफ यू रियली हैव टू, देन यू हैव टू रश फास्ट एंड रीच आउट टू अस। And Franchise India and our independent franchise consultants all over India are working actively. So you reach out to your respective consultant, reach out to any of our offices, and we will be more than happy to take your discussions ahead. Archana, if you can put, I will also put our business hotline again. Archana is already put done. It's a very detailed business hotline number. Just call business hotline number or send us a message, WhatsApp message with a little bit profile, and we will organize. सोने कौन सी डेट रखेंगे इसके लिए?
We can keep maybe coming Thursday or a Friday, maybe 4 days we'll take.
2 days रखेंगे डॉक्टर साहब, क्योंकि बहुत
ओके
दिन
सर,
है तो एक दिन में कवर नहीं होता है, तो 2 दिन रखते हैं, थर्सडे फ्राइडे रखते हैं। एंड वी विल ऑर्गेनाइज जितनी भी शॉर्टलिस्टेड, बहुत ही सिलेक्टेड होंगे, अबाउट 25 to 30 डिस्कशंस आपके साथ रखेंगे। और आप टीम में अगर किसी और को भी साथ लगाना हो तो उसको भी लगा सकते हैं। सो वी विल डू द फर्स्ट बैच of our partners, and then we do work with them for a grand launch.
Sure.
So this is 24th and 25th of September. So before we go, a question which I think I saw some of them asking. तो Planet, Galaxy and 3 हमारे models हैं. Are we also entertaining Galaxy and Planet without a Cosmo model in any city?
Yeah, we can open, absolutely we can open Galaxy model before coming the distributor.
Okay.
We will supply them with our transport system, and once 4 or 5 Galaxies are there, a distributor will come on its own, because when the business is happening, the investor will come, and then we will attach these Galaxies to the distributor. And one more thing I want to एक चीज मैं शेयर करता हूँ। जैसे कॉस्मोस मॉडल का इन्वेस्टमेंट 1 करोड़ के ऊपर है, लेकिन मान लीजिए उस मार्केट में अभी गैलेक्सी हमने ओपन नहीं किया है, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट हम नहीं लेंगे अभी, हम उससे 10 लाख रुपए लेके पार्क करके रखेंगे। And then we will put our efforts in developing that market, appointing the Galaxies. And when some Galaxies are at place, we will supply the distributor. So उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट हम ब्लॉक नहीं करेंगे। आज गैलेक्सी नहीं तो हम इनको स्टॉक डंप नहीं करेंगे। We are very clear on that.
Very important point, very important point, and this can be a huge opportunity.
I'd like to thank you, Dr. Arvind, for coming in. It was a very, very interesting and detailed presentation. And I also feel it's a great opportunity, India being the second largest two-wheeler market. We sell about 20 million two-wheelers every year, of which 6 million are scooters alone. And 90% of the scooters, which is 150cc, which we saw also on the first slide of a presentation, they contribute about 90% of the market alone. And they all would be converted to electronic vehicles in the next 4 to 5 years' time. So there's a great opportunity for all prospective business buyers to get into this. So with this, friends, we'll like to close the session. And I would request, I still see people to take their questions. I would request friends kindly reach on a hotline number, and between these 2 days, whichever date is convenient, we can block 30 minutes with Dr. Saab, and you can ask any questions that point in time. Please share your profile and details, location, property if you want. It will be helpful for us to take it further. And over to you, Archana, now.
So thank you so much, all the participants who have shared their queries with us. Our panel member, along with Dr. Arvind, tried to answer many of them. All the unanswered questions will be answered when our regional representative will connect with you. You can share your suggestions, feedback at the same hotline number. We want to thank Dr. Arvind for detailed presentation and for your time and effort. Would like to extend our thanks to our panel member Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. Please reach out to us at the same hotline number. Save that number in your phone book so that you get a regular updates through broadcast message from that particular number. The number is 97176 83838. That's the number you should be saving in your phone book. You could also reach to management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn IDs. The recorded version of this particular webinar and rest of the webinar is available at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. That's the site where you can go and you can watch all the previously done webinar. But before you go and enjoy your lunch, after your lunch, we invite you for East India Show, where our aim is to provide you top business 10 opportunities, presenting their business ideas. We are welcoming and inviting these top opportunities for you guys, where our industry expert, along with the management team, will speak and give you advice on the franchise. The time is 3 o'clock today, so please join us today 3 p.m. for East India Show. And tomorrow we are inviting you for 122nd episode of Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series, where we are presenting business idea of Kota Talent Academy, the brand which comes from Kota, expanding pan India, and they're sharing their business idea with each one of you. Please do not miss this chance. Do registration for both the webinars today 3 p.m. for East India Show and tomorrow for our regular 12 p.m. show at the same business hotline number. You will get a registration link. We request you to please do registration so that you join both the seminars, both the summit at their respective time. Thank you so much for joining us today. We wish a great day ahead for each one of you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Shall I say something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm very much thankful and grateful to Franchise India, especially Gaurav sir, Sonia ma'am, for extending me such a great and huge opportunity to present my brand. I'm also thankful to Archana ma'am for supporting me and Dheeraj sir. I'm also thankful to all the dignitaries who took away the time on Sunday, and instead of holiday, they came here for a business thing. And I am sure they will be in 2 class thereafter. Either they will join us and enjoy the business and profit, or they will be jealous for us for lifetime. And I say very, very strongly, I put this point, sir. And thank you very much. Thank you very much. See
Thank
you,
you.
sir, on 24th and 25th again.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.